A huge breakthrough just happened in the math world. Chinese mathematician Hong Wang just won the Fields Medal, making her only the third woman in history to achieve this. Her big win? A major breakthrough on a 100-year-old math enigma, the Kakeya Conjecture. Sounds abstract? It's actually everywhere in real life. Think of it like this. How do you rotate a needle inside the absolute smallest space possible? It's basically like pulling off a perfect 3-point U-turn in the tightest parking spot imaginable. But this isn't just paper math. In millimeter wave radar, this exact logic determines performance. The radar's electromagnetic beam acts just like that rotating needle in space. By leveraging these algorithms, engineers can guide beams in every direction, achieving true 360 blind spot-free scanning. From the highest honor in mathematics to the smart drones flying above us, math isn't about blind memorization. It's the hardcore logic behind modern tech and safety. Follow me to unlock the hidden romance behind everyday tech.